You're building yourself, but you're doing it alone. For 5 years, I've worked with men on mindset and philosophy, and the pattern is clear. The men who win didn't work alone. They have other men in their corner who understand their path. That's why I built the practice, a place where men invest in growth together, not by getting lectured, but by challenging and informing each other across mind, body, and work. You bring your wins and your losses, others bring theirs. We learn man to man, we build together. As you engage, you earn status inside the group, but more importantly, you earn the confidence of knowing you belong somewhere that is moving forward. The world's noise can't touch that. When you waste time, you disrespect yourself. When you put time to work, you build yourself. Join free as a founding member. Help build something that will serve you for years. I'll see you inside.